Hey there, Mike here. We're going to do a short routine. This is just around 15 minutes, and again, it's designed to help you uh, loosen up. It's designed to help you strengthen, but more than just trying to contort your body, the goal is to stretch, strengthen, and tone weak muscles around the core muscles that we often overuse and that can therefore cause injury. So by strengthening up those peripheral muscles using yoga, we become injury free and bulletproof for the future. So let's dive in. What I want you to do is get into a squat position, and I want you to push out on your knees. I'm up on my toes, and you're just going to hold that for a little bit here. Okay, so we just need to begin to get used to being in this squat position. Many times we're not used to that any longer, and this was something that hundreds of years ago was a standard position for us that helps increase our mobility. Okay, so you can do this. Take some time to do this daily. Working from your computer, put it on like that. Reading a book, you can do some things like that, but just sit in this position. All right, now from this position, I want you to grab hold of right hand to right ankle, and you're using your right to brace yourself, and you're taking your left up into the sky, and you're holding it there. So you're trying to get your arm up as high as you can, keeping that weight on your right elbow, pushing your right knee out. You're going to feel this throughout your lower back. You're going to feel this in your Achilles, calves, your ribs, upper shoulder. Okay, just holding. Now slowly move back to center. Do the other one. So you're bracing your left elbow into your left knee, taking your right up to the sky, and holding. Look to the sky as well. Hold. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to center. Okay, great. All right. Now let's go down. I want to get into all fours. This is going to be a position we're going to use a lot. This is called the tabletop position. And from the tabletop, I want you to lift up, go into a downward dog. Tuck your chin into your chest. You're going to feel this in your hamstrings, down through your feet. My toes are raised. My chin is tucked. Just exhale. Breathing is important here. So inhale, exhale. Exhale. Again, one more time. Exhale. Okay, now take your right leg up into the sky. Okay, hold it there. Again, we're taking our chin to our chest, and our right leg is up into the sky. You're going to feel this more pressure in your left leg, all around your ankle, Achilles, up into the quad. You can feel this in your lower back. Just holding. Now bring that right knee down to your left elbow and hold. Hold it right here. Again, just another routine that is working all your core muscles, working some of those muscles around the ones that you repetitively use. Also working shoulders, arms, quad. Okay, now let's take it back to the downward dog position. Hold there and breathe again. Inhale and exhale. One more breath. Okay, let's take the left leg up in the air. Let's hold. We're just working our chain, okay? The chain is that which extends from your base of your head all the way down your spine, down your legs, all the way to the toes. Just strengthening those weak muscles that don't get as used in our repetitive athletic workout routines. One more deep breath and exhale. Bring it down, left knee to right elbow, and hold it. Just hold there, working those ribs, core, hip flexor, quad, calf, Achilles, some of those muscles in our feet. You notice I'm barefoot, definitely recommend doing this barefoot to give your feet full exposure. All right, let's go back up into the tabletop. Chin is tucked again. Okay, from this position, we're going to roll forward. Keep your shoulders arched. My back is arched. I'm going to roll forward. I'm going to kiss my knees to the ground. I'm going to look up. And I'm holding. All right, 3, 2, 1. Arch your back and go back to the downward dog. And forward again. We're going to keep moving this time. Don't rest your knees, just kiss them. Make sure your head comes up. Right now it's tucked. Roll forward. My head comes up. Look to the sky. Okay. Let's go back. Go forward, just increasing mobility in our fascia, breaking things up, opening ourselves up. Okay. Back. 2 more. Go forward and back. Last one. Yes. Up and back. Great. Now let's just walk it out into a plank position. Okay. Engage your abs to put less strain on your lower back. And I just squeeze my shoulder blades together. See this plank here? All right. Breathe. In through the nose, out through the mouth. The nose, out through the mouth. Okay, put all your weight on your left arm. Take your right and go up to the sky. Open up and hold. Back down. Switch sides. And up. And back down. Back into the tabletop position. On the tabletop, take your left arm, you're going to thread the needle, go through, put your head down, try to look up at the sky underneath your armpit. Left arm is out. This is going to feel the stretch, your ribs, your lower back, opening up your hips. All right, back up. Let's do the other side. Right arm, thread the needle, go out, head rests down. Now turn your head up to the sky. That's just twisting your back, your lower back, and your hips, opening that up. Breathe with each exhale. Just try to imagine yourself Going a little deeper in that stretch, a little more loosening up. All right, back up into the tabletop. Now in this one, I'm going to move a little bit more towards you so you can see me, but I'm spreading my knees wide. I'm bringing my heels together in the back. Okay? Spreading my knees wide, bringing my heels together in the back. This is going to be what's called a child's pose. All right, so now I'm going to try to sit down on my heels. I go out the front. So now we're going to open up the groin, opening up the hips, stretching shoulders down the back, lower back. Just feel this in the child's pose. And as you breathe, with each exhale, try to release a little bit more. Breathe. 2 more. Last one. All right. Walk your hands back up to just about vertical. All right, and from here, now I want you to move forward. Your feet come off the ground, and you're going to touch your nose to the ground. Then you go back. All the way back to your rear touching your heels, and then come forward. Nose to the ground. Slowly bring it back. Arch your back. Come forward. Feet are up. Go back. Rear to the heels. 2 more times. Do that and go up. Come back. Last one. Up. Go back. Very good. All right. Back into that tabletop position. And for our final piece, let's just move forward. Left foot inside of left hand. Okay. You're going to lean forward, move up, and hold. You're going to feel this in your right hip flexor, looking up at the sky with our arms stretched far to the sky. We're stretching our shoulders. This also works that left front foot as our weight is over that. We're just holding and breathing. Good job. One more deep breath. And now go back and take it all the way back and take your head down inside of your left knee. Arms go up. You're going to feel this in the left hamstring. Just opening that body up. And let's move back up to the tabletop. From the tabletop, let's move that right foot up inside the right hand. Now we're going to extend up and forward. This is going to be in the left hip flexor. Again, we're stretching those arms to the sky. That's opening up our spine. Weight on our right leg. We're just holding and breathing. Two more. Last deep breath. Okay, slowly bring it back down. Our head is going to go inside of our right knee. Arms are going up in the back. Just holding this position. Feel that stretch. Shoulders. Back to the right hamstring. Chin to chest. And breathe. And take it slowly back down to the tabletop. Invite you to stand. All right, so that's it for this routine. Hopefully you can feel your muscles working as you go through that and loosening up a little bit. So again, it's that whole combination of stretching, strengthening, loosening fascia, opening yourself up that can help make you bulletproof. So we'll see you next time. Stay tuned for more.